Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on a laptop. First, ensure your laptop meets the game's minimum system requirements for a smooth experience. Then, download and install the Epic Games launcher, which is necessary to access Fortnite. Once the launcher is set up, proceed to install Fortnite itself. Finally, connect to a stable internet connection and adjust your in-game settings to optimize performance for your specific laptop model. This initial setup is crucial for an enjoyable gaming session. Once Fortnite is installed, understanding the controls is your next step. You'll primarily use the WASD keys for moving your character around the vast map. Your mouse is essential for aiming, looking around, and executing precise shots during combat. Remember to practice actions like jumping, crouching, and sprinting, which are typically assigned to specific keys. For a truly personalized experience, take some time to customize your keybinds. This allows you to tailor the controls to your comfort, making your gameplay more efficient and enjoyable. Fortnite combines thrilling combat with unique building mechanics. First, focus on picking up various weapons and useful items scattered across the map. Practice your shooting and aiming skills to effectively eliminate opponents you encounter. A core aspect of Fortnite is building. You'll use 4 main materials: wood, brick, and metal, each with different strengths. Learn to quickly construct walls, ramps, floors, and cones. These structures are vital for both defending yourself from enemy fire and gaining a strategic advantage during engagements. Mastering both is key. To truly excel in Fortnite, consider these advanced tips. Initially, try landing in less populated areas to safely gather essential resources and weapons without immediate conflict. Always keep an eye on the shrinking storm circle and plan your movements strategically to stay within the safe zone. A fantastic way to hone your skills is by practicing extensively in creative mode, focusing on building and editing. Additionally, watching professional players can provide valuable insights into advanced strategies and techniques, helping you elevate your own gameplay. Keep practicing and have fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.